line 22, 7B189, pairwise forces, alien math, R velocity, orbit, space, travel algorithms, Wow Seti. There's the alien radio signal. And we're going to talk equations of motion, orbits, displacement, pairwise forces, R alien math velocity equation, space travel, line 22, Wow data. Okay. And this is line 22, 7B188, helium 3 spin echo, diffusion, atom scatter, Langevin, Equation Wow Seti. We just looked at that one. January 22nd, 2014, the keyword is pairwise forces. Quotes and diagrams are from Wiki. The basic equation of peridynamics is the following equation of motion. And I don't think you can see that, it's kind of so small. There, a little bigger. Where x is a point in a body, rt is time. It doesn't say what r is. U is the displacement vector field and p is the mass density in the undeformed body. That's strange. X is a dummy variable of integration. The vector valued function f is the force density that x to the, with a little symbol to right, exerts on x. The force density depends on the relative displacement and relative position vectors between x and x. The dimensions of f are force per volume squared. The function f is called the pairwise force function. Contains all the constitutive material dependent properties. It describes how the internal forces depend on the deformation. So, January 22nd, 2014, my thoughts. This algorithm will apply to the formulas found in the Wow data, cross-reference lines 1 to 27, mentioned from lines 17 to 22 so far, and research January 22nd, 2014 for the flexible bendable metals. And, okay. Quotes and diagrams are from Wiki. The interaction between any x and x is called a bond. The physical mechanism in this interaction need not be specified. It is usually assumed that f vanishes whenever x is outside the neighborhood of x, in the underformed configuration called the horizon. So it shows the horizon of x, there's x, then f, and then there's the other x. The term peridynamic and adjective was proposed in the year 2000 and comes from the prefix peri, which means all around, near, or surrounding, and the root dyna, which means force or power. The term peridynamics, a noun, is a shortened form of the phrase peridynamic model of solid mechanics. January 22nd, 2014, my thoughts are from the alien math equation found in line 17 T4B video's formulas. It talks about velocity in that equation, and here it talks about u in the displacement vector field plus motion. Quotes and diagrams from Wiki. It shows displacement and then distance and the path taken. Displacement versus distance travel along a path. January 22nd, 2014, my thoughts. The first thing I think of, it cutting across the Earth's planetary orbits when I look at this. You know how we have to fly around the planets to get into orbit? I believe this alien math equation is going to show us how to cut across those using white or black holes in the universe and whatever methods it teaches us to do. More about this in the next video. Thanks for watching.